Fred.
Casey.
Stand up now. We're not going to work today.
I don't understand you. You call wheelbarrow pushing work. Guy, wake up. It is time we face reality and look for something good to do.
I understand your point. But you see, the last time I checked, we have attended over 15 interviews. All to no avail. We just can't sit idle at home. We just have to do something to make a living. At least to put food on our table.
I'm tired. I cannot go back to that market and start receiving insult from people. You understand? The last time you... No, Casey, no. I don't want to experience what I experienced again before. Let's look... See, my brother, this life. No. I don't want to go back to that wheelbarrow pushing. I've said mine. You understand?
Changed. You are seeing this beautiful. Ha! Ngongo! Properties are properties. That's the one we are school, eh? I knew you are beautiful. And something told me that by the time you grow up, you're going to be more beautiful. Look at how beautiful you are looking. Fantastic!
You have never stopped this your funny attitude.
Let me tell you, factory fitted is factory fitted. Follow come is follow come. Anything that God planted in you is going to grow with you. It's going to be with you. Look at how beautiful you are looking. I know you used to be very beautiful before, but now your beauty has increased. I knew you were going to be very, very beautiful. Eh?
Anyway, what are you doing?
Do I have destination? I don't have destination though. As you see me like this now, I will walk from here now and go to the other side and come back again. I don't have destination. So, are you the sales girl here?
Marcus, sales girl. Well, this is my shop. I'm just managing here.
This place is a small shop. You're just managing here. If you call this place a small shop that you're managing, in fact, I want to hit my head somewhere because I wonderful. You call this place your shop? Obiadima. Take me inside and give me something. Wash. Look at bra. Hey, look at bra. Wonderful. Look at.
It's okay, no.
Look at bra. I can imagine the owner of this, the size of this that can use this bra. This is size 16. If someone had told me then that after all the things you did, that I would sit with you like this, I wouldn't have believed the person. I would have said that the person was lying. Because if I remember the things you did, please, Lisa, see this. I don't even know what to say again. For some time now, you've been avoiding me. You've been behaving so strangely. Please, whatever thing it is. In fact, let me admit that I know that I have not been meeting up to my standard. I've not been doing things that I'm supposed to do financially. It's not like I don't know what to do. I know. No matter the situation, know very well that inside my heart, I love you so much. Inside my heart, I have even built an upstairs for you. I bought a car for you inside my heart. It's just that things have not materialized for me to, show you physical love.
Marcus, I love you as a person.
I'm not an animal now.
And I really do care about you. But you see, love is not enough at this point. Let's just be friends, okay? And give me time to sort myself.
All the things you said, I understood. Like, you said you love me. That one is okay. You said you care about me. I'm so glad to hear that. But saying that love at this point is not necessary or it doesn't count, it's not true. That one I don't believe it. Because love is pointless. At any point in time, you see your loved one, you express love. Even in the Bible, Jesus Christ came and he died for love. Even Romeo and Juliet, they killed them, they died as a result of love at that point in time. Even Titanic, the guy, he sacrificed his life for Rose to live. It is also love at that point in time. So, but the one that is baffling me, the one that I cannot place very, very well is you saying that you need time. How? What do you mean by give you time to sort yourself?
It's over between us. Let's just be friends, okay? Let's just be friends. It's cut off.
No. You cannot cut it now. You cannot cut the love I have for you. Please.
Marcus,
No.
it's over. Let's just be friends.
It cannot be over. Okay, saying that it is over is like saying that my life is over. Because my life, I depend on you. Please. Oh, because please now, please don't walk away now. Why are you going back to your hotel? Don't go now. Please. Lisa.
That reminds me. Lisa, what is going on? The last time I saw Marcus, he was complaining bitterly that I should talk to you. What happened?
Gone are the days when love speaks more than money in this our generation. So, money rules the whole world. Get that?
Lisa, you are surprising me. Isn't that the same guy you have been preaching love all about? What happened to the tune of love?
That was in the past. I can't manage myself anymore. All in the name of love. See, we are no longer compatible. Check me out. See, I need money for my school fees, for my creams, my clothes. Please, spare me those bullshit.
Lisa, is this you?
No, it's not me.
You said my hand.
I wouldn't even want to see you, let alone talking with you or sitting to drink with you.
You know, what I did back then is what made me to be like this today.
So, okay, you're trying to say that those things you did them for a purpose.
Yes.
Okay, you purposely did it because you wanted to reach a particular frame. And now you are there.
Marcus, what is most important now is to think of how you will get a new job.
Odd job, all those ones, will you call them job? Will you call odd jobs job? Those ones were not job. Those ones were just menial job. In fact, when you talk about job, you talk about white collar job that fetches good money, not all those menial odd jobs.
But the odd jobs you told me about are all jobs. I will be traveling to Lagos to get goods. When I'm back, I will meet my friend to get you a new job.
Okay, you talk to your friend to get me a new job. Okay, your friend now will introduce me to somebody that will give me a job.
Yes, no.
That is what they used to call, you know person, where's a person. You know person, who know person. You sabi person, where's a person.
Marcus, you never change.
You don't even ask me to.
Casey.
Wait, when you're smiling and
I told you that.
Jesus. Where did you get a pistol from?
In the market, of course.
You stop that nonsense, Joe. Do they get pistol from the market?
Casey, look at it. This is not a real pistol. This is a fake pistol.
Sure. If there's a fake pistol, then what are you doing with the fake pistol?
We'll start off something with you too.
Sure. So what do you want to do with the fake gun?
Casey, with this, we can start up with something.
Start up with fake God. What will you threaten with fake God and the person who listen to you?
Casey, this is Nigeria.
I don't understand this one. This one.
Don't worry.
You used to come up with an idea, but this
Casey, let's give it a try. Don't worry.
I don't want to try, you know. Rubber pistol. Supposing we attack at the process, what are we going to do?
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Until Bobby decides to cut it now, we'll see how it goes.
Almost money. Casey! Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't believe my eye. This is real cash. Oh boy. Let me get myself. You know, I told you that this plan will not fail us. That was why I was encouraging you. Guy, stay put, stay put.
Fred, you're correct. Do you know what? The most interesting part in the whole thing.
Now everybody, go down or I shoot! Everybody was shaking. They didn't even know that. They didn't even know that it was rubber gun. Bring the money! Casey. It's like you've been at least with this money, we can feed well. We'll feed like whites. Graduates of the Federal Republic, graduate of this country is stealing. My brother. This one is stealing by trade. You want to? All of you, stay there now! If you move my suit, Even me, I'm afraid now, sir. This country. It is only this country that you can collect something from this country. You take what you want by force. That is the only way you can survive. This is Nigeria now. Alright. Let me tell you how we share this money. Calm down. I know you brought the idea. I brought the idea. Thank God you know. Let's see how much that is here for us. Hey!
Come on, bro. The Chris. Move. Go back. Move.
important.
Let's go.
Which bash do we need to go? Is it that fat woman's down or the other?
That place we normally go now.
That one. The girl, her first girl insulted me the other day just because I looked at her waist.
That waist is the most important thing. No matter the amount of insult, the waist matters.
Hey! Two of you come back here. Come back here! Are you mad?
Any problem?
Yes, there are a lot of problems. So, number one problem, you passed us without greeting. How can you pass the Federal Republic officers of the Nigerian law? You passed us without saying good morning or good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You could not even greet. You're laughing.
We have suffered.
Seriously.
Oh, Jesus. Look at men who call themselves police officers. You can imagine their shit. In short, just imagine.
I'll give you a hand.
Marco.
Look at you. Let me tell you. We are the Federal Republic of Nigeria officers. The officers that represent Nigeria. We represent Nigeria in everything. We are the people that Nigeria sent to go and fight Armageddon war. We are the officers that Nigeria sent to go and fight Biafran war. We are the officers that Nigeria sent to go and fight Bayelsa war. All the whole wars, and even the wars that is piled up. The Federal Republic of Nigeria government piled up some wars for us to go and fight. And you're talking to us anyhow. Let me tell you, you're going to face a crown charge now. A very big charge. Larry.
In fact, for insulting officers of the law, both of you are under arrest.
Hey!
Shut up there! What do you have inside that post? Let me see.
Let
me have that post!
Yes, there's nothing.
I know here. I cannot know.
If you talk, I talk you. If you run, I run you. If you move, I move you. Shut up.
Hey!
What is it?
Ukuwai Bayelsa Nam 15,000.
Any idea how Kuma in Asaba? 33,000 naira. I would have been by
Marco, offensive items found in this post.
Which is
Marco.
Hey! This is condomete. This is condual condoyeye. This is a weapon of destruction.
What is
this? This is a weapon of continual fornication. This is a weapon of continue doing your nonsense.
Can you explain this?
You are encouraging fornication. You are going to jail. From here now, jail straight.
You don't even need your statement.
Officer, please.
So you can leave that.
Officer, please, you ask officer. Anything you want, anything.
Oh, you can even leave that. Anything we want. Anything we want.
Sorry.
Want to. Anything you want to go get to. They say want to. Anything you want.
Go.
Anything you want. Move. To go home. They go home. Hey, we want to. Move. Want to go home. We want to go home. Move. We want to go home. They go home.
Move.
We want to go home. We want to go home.
Move.
We want to go home. They go home. Move.
No, they say risk when you take. Risk when we take.
Sorry. Oh, wow. So, on all the risk we will take, now only 2,500
My brother, I don't tire. Guess of nowadays. See how far they flying reach from head to toe. Only 2,500 in their pocket.
Wow. This guy won't tire me. I don't even blame myself. The way the country is. I don't know whether my boyfriend plays in the boy. I don't know who can house. That's not fine.
Let's see. Any idea? Make we manage this one. You still use and follow up.
See, you know what you do. Just ask yourself. Can I go to the
See, I ask yourself. Now, you go through that door.
That tissue over the piece.
See what you guys have play, I will play now.
Check, you like check what I eat here. That's not what I take.
You know, they can get in here.
see, you need more. My friend, what this one? Make I go through this thing for Wesley.
What's the meaning of this now? Did you have to do that? You just obstructed me. You just woke me up from my beautiful dream. Look at the beautiful girl now that I almost kissed. Yes. I almost kissed her. Casey, you should be thanking me that I saved you from kissing a spirit being. Eh? You should be thanking me. I told you she's a spirit being. It's just a dream. Don't try it next time.
Casey, please. I want to go back to sleep, please.
Hey, go back to sleep. Look at the beautiful, charming girl I almost kissed. Look at how sexy her lips was.
You better not kiss a spirit being. No?
Let me see if I'll go back to my sleep and see if God will help me go back to that dream.
You better not kiss in your dream. No?
What are you doing? Huh? You want to turn this place into WWE? WWE that we watch in America, you want to do it here? WWE that we watch in television, you want to do it here? On the street? Are you mad?
Now, why are both of you fighting? That is my guy play game. You know game to play. I give her my own money until that to play the game. 15 games, $40 I remember one to enter. To win 5 million. And I did sure of that game well. That game enter. Me and go share the same money. Then they tell me they won't give me 200,000 for my own money again. Don't that fall on you?
Now me play this game. As I predict the game, I don't get money to play the game. I can't go meet him as a friend. Make him give me money. He can't give me 100 naira. I will play the game. The game can come at 5 million. As the game don't come at 5 million, I go okay, I'll give her 200,000 for that 100 naira. Now they can beat me on top of my own money again. Okay. I go return your 100 naira I give you.
Come. I want to ask you one question. Did you come with your sense? Do you have your senses here? And you? Do you have your senses here?
Sense.
You know if you talk again.
Sense.
Huh?
Let me tell you, both of you are mad though. Because of money you have not seen. You just play the game and you assume that the money is going to come. That is the reason you are fighting, killing yourselves. In fact, I am charging you people for corruption. Because if you can fight over a money you've not seen, that means by the time you see the money, you will carry gun.
They can as well kill.
You will kill somebody.
They can kill.
You're under arrest.
You are under arrest.
Sir,
Whatever you say or do
God,
will be used against you in the court of law.
Let me tell you, whether you corrupt or you're not corrupt, I am corruptioning you now. Come on, you go to the station now. I'll slap you. Are you mad? You're not corrupt. What do you mean by you're not corrupt? Is that English language or French?
Now, move it. Move it.
Leave him. You're under arrest.
I'm not going to fight against you.
I will slap you. Come, oh yeah, hey.